Very good day to all. I am Malati, research scholar from VIT Business School, Vellore, India. First, I'd like to thank BLM ICIM for giving this great opportunity to present my paper. My paper is on the influence impact of algorithmic literacy on programmatic advertising effectiveness, and this is the flow of presentation. So coming to the introduction part, in today's digital ecosystem, capturing the attention of consumer is not an easy task. There are millions of websites, many applications, many digital properties are viewed across varieties of channel every day. So PA takes the whole process to the advanced level. What is PA is a fully automated process of buying and selling ad impressions in online advertising. PA uses algorithmic software that handles the sales and placement of digital ad impressions through ad exchange platforms within a fraction of a second. In every PA platform, there is a machine learning algorithm which plays an important role, but these algorithms are often invisible and mostly influence our choice. Coming to the algorithmic literacy, one of the important variable in the study is skill or awareness about the algorithmic process, how it is used in the computational system, what are their applications in problem solving and decision making, and how it influences the effect and social cultural factors, what are their potential and its limitation. So study of all these we call it as algorithmic literacy, and these are all the reviews which are done for this study. Though based on the review of literature, the research gap found was there is a lack of consumer algorithmic literacy and also more concern for data privacy protection. So these are my research question, and research objective is to analyze the relation between demographic factor and awareness on the role of algorithm, to examine the relation between demographic factor and awareness on use of algorithm in programmatic advertising, and at last to find the impact of algorithmic literacy on PA effectiveness. So this is the theoretical model. And coming to the methodology, descriptive research design with the quantitative nature is used. Three set of hypotheses were framed. The questionnaire is constructed using the measurement scale like AMCA scale to measure the algorithmic awareness dimension, and Likert scales to measure click-through intention. The samples are collected through non-probabilistic sampling technique, that is convenience sampling. The target samples are YouTube user. The total samples are 104 respondents. So coming to the analysis, the reliability test shows that the Cronbach's alpha value is 0.70, which is an acceptable limit. So the questionnaire is reliable for the purpose of data collection. This is a distribution of sample based on the demographic factors like gender, age, place of living, qualification, and occupation. So, based on the Garrett ranking technique, the first choice the respondent prefer from the social media platform is YouTube, which has 68.11 mean score. The second choice is Facebook, followed by Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. The first hypothesis, which is analyzed by chi-square, shows that there is awareness on the role of algorithm is independent on the demographic factors like age, gender, place of living, qualification, and occupation. The second hypothesis test using Kruskal values and Mann-Whitney test. In this, the qualification which has a less p-value, which shows that it has a significant relation with awareness on use of algorithm in programmatic advertising compared to other demographic factors like age, gender, place of living, and qualification. And the correlation between the click and the 12 factors which comes under awareness. So this 12 factors are classified as content filtering, automated decision making, human algorithm interplay, and ethical consideration. This shows that there is no significance between awareness on use of algorithm in PA and click-through intention. So cluster analysis was done to classify the whole respondent into the cluster into homogeneous group. So based on this screen plot that shows the increase in the coefficient after the stage 11. So we have formed 3 clusters based on high mean value. The first cluster is called moderately aware users, second cluster is less aware users, and third is the very aware users. After classifying the responder into 3 clusters, it was cross-tabulated with the age, qualification, and gender, which helps to identify uh, what are all the respondents which comes under age, qualification, and gender based on the 3 clusters. So coming to the conclusions, though the surveys shows that there are 60% of social media platform users are slightly aware and not aware of the role of algorithm, but at the same time 70% users think that algorithm literacy is essential for the users of internet. And also it shows that impact of algorithmic literacy on PA is insignificant, but inculcating this algorithmic literacy can develop users trust with the marketer and also make the user less concerned about the data privacy, and it helps them to understand the role of algorithm so that they take care of their data and also their privacy, and also they avoid over dependency on algorithm. So literacy on algorithm, particularly in PA practice, makes the consumer understand the working of programmatic advertising and feels that these practices are less threatening and also more acceptable, so that they develop good relationship with the consumers. So these are all the references made for this study. Thank you.